Okay, I am Dr. Babu, Professor and Head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering, Sri Sanmuga College of Engineering and Technology, Sangagiri, Salem. Okay, in this video, I am going to explain about the biological elements. Biological elements. What are the elements are available within our body? Biological elements in human being. Okay. The first one, atoms, energy and the living things. In the first slide I'm going to explain about the atoms, energy of the atoms and the living things. All the living things are made up of atoms. All the living things are made up of atoms. In that atom, missing valency electrons drive all chemical reactions inside the living things. So, atoms bond together to gain full valency cells and they become stable. All living things require energy in order to complete the life processes. So these are the information about the atoms, energy and the living things. Next in this slide we are going to explain about this is the whole body, human being. This human being, inside the human being we are having the many organs. Simply we can say it is the system of organs, or you can say organ systems. Organ system means not only one organ, many number of organs we are having. So this organ, from the system of organs, we are taking any one of the organ outside. For this organ is made up of the tissue. This organ, inside the organ, it is composed of tissue. Okay, if the tissue, in the tissue, inside what happened, the tissue is made up of the many number of cells. The tissue is made up of the many number of cells. That is, the tissue is disintegrated into small units. We are having the cell. Within that cell, we are having organelle. Organelle. In that organelle, we are having macromolecule. Macromolecule. More number of molecules are combined, bonding with each other. So it is macromolecule. If we disintegrate this, we are getting the single molecule. In that single molecule is made up of the atoms. So in this reverse way, it can be explained like this. The smallest unit is equal to atom. Many number of atoms join together and forms a molecule. Many molecules combine with each other and form macromolecule. These macromolecules combine with each other, and inside this organelle, it's available in the organelle. This organelle is available within the cell. Many number of cells combine with each other and form the tissue. This tissue is very important in the formation of the organ. So this is the single organ. Like this, if we are having many number of organs, it is called organ system. This complete organ system is available in our body. So the human being is disintegrated into small unit. Finally, it comes to the smallest unit called atom. These are the bio elements. Okay, these biological elements, CHONPS. CHONPS. That means carbon, H is for hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. Simply we can say CHONPS. Okay, what is this? These 6 elements are found in all living things. Okay, if we go for any living things, okay, these 6 elements are available in the all living things. Carbon bonds form the framework for all major molecules found in the living things. The carbon is very, very important. The carbon bonds and form the framework for all the major molecules found in the living things. Next we go for why is carbon is so special. Carbon is having 4 valence electron. This 4 valence electron can form a bond with the other atoms. So because of that, this allows carbon to form lots of different types of structures and the molecules with all different functions. Each one is having different structure and a different function. Next we can come for the biomolecules. Biomolecules, the molecule which is available in the living things called biomolecule. Okay, carbohydrate, carbs, lipids, fats, protein, nucleic acids. These are the 4 molecules that make up all living things, each composed of CH2NPS. Okay, as already told you, CH2NPS. Okay, this all the biomolecules is composed of the CH2NPS. Okay, first we can go for the carbohydrates. So carbohydrate, what is the structure of the carbohydrate? This is nothing but a monomer, monosaccharides, this single sugar. Example of this one is glucose and fructose. That is called monomer. And we are having polymer. Polymer is equal to many sugars, polysaccharides. Many sugars combined with each other. That's called polymer. Example is equal to starch, cellulose, glycogen. Glucose and fructose is example for the monomer. Starch, cellulose and glycogen is example for the polymer. Okay, now we can go for the structure of the carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates provide immediate and intermediate energy to cells. Immediate energy or intermediate energy to the cells. Shorter chains and having the shorter lasting energy. Longer chains, longer lasting energy. That means, so carbohydrates having shorter chains and longer chains. Shorter chains, okay, it is very fast, and the longer chain it is slower, and shorter chains having the shorter lasting energy. Okay, very quickly it lost its energy, and the longer chains, the energy will be lost for longer time. It takes longer time to lose all its energy. Next we can come for the lipids. The structure of the lipids, again monomer, polymer. In monomer we are having fatty acids and glycerols. Polymer lipid. Example is equal to phospholipid, oil, cholesterol, triglycerides. Phospholipids, oils, cholesterol, triglycerides. These are all called the examples for the lipid. What are the functions? Provide long-term energy storage to cells. Phospholipids form protective cell membrane. These are the functions of this lipid. Next come for the next bioelement is protein. Okay, the protein, the structure is equal to monomer amino acid, polymer is equal to polypeptide. That is many peptide bonds combined with each other, and it is called polypeptide. Example is equal to hemoglobin, protein channels, antibodies, enzymes. These are all the proteins. Okay, what are the functions of the proteins? Proteins are the expression of DNA. Proteins are the expressions of DNA. That is, hemoglobin allows red blood cell to bind with the gas, to bind with the oxygen, carbon dioxide, like that. Okay. Protein channels allow specific molecules to travel in and out of the cell. The protein channels are, okay, the specific molecules can travel into the cell and out of the cell. Antibodies help in identify the infectious agent. If any infectious agent is available, the antibodies are helping to identify the infectious agents. Enzymes catalyze, that is, speed up the process, chemical reactions by lowering the energy of the activation required. So these are the structure and functions of the bioelements for the proteins. So this is example for the amino acid which is available in the protein. This is the some of the example: DNA, mRNA, amino acids, ribosome, like that. So this is the RBC. Within that RBC we are having hemoglobin. This hemoglobin combined with the gas, that is called oxygen. That's called oxyhemoglobin. If the oxygen is removed, it will deoxyhemoglobin, like that. This double lipid layer, the structure of the bioelement. These are substrate entering the active site of enzyme. This is enzyme, this is substrate, and combined with enzyme substrate, enzyme changes itself slightly as substrate binds. Okay, then products leaving active site of enzyme. These are some of the process. Okay, next to come for the nucleic acid. Okay, nucleic acid structure is monomer is equal to nucleotides made up of ribose, sugar, phosphate, nitrogenous base, and the polymer is DNA and RNA. The function of the nucleic acid is store genetic information and allow for production of the proteins. So in this class, I will explain about the biological elements. Thank you.